I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World. Professor Vinster here. Now, we've got this unit together. It's a hovercraft. I'll show you a little bit more about it. Underneath here are the directional movement parts. The servos inside will be hooked up to this. When these lift, they'll provide air in the direction like that. These screws are a little bit long right now. I'm going to put some flatter ones in. They'll hit the bottom. Like if I run it on the hardwood floor, they'll probably scratch the floor. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to fire this thing up. There's fans inside here that I put in. Now, the plans for this originally only was with one small fan, but I've brought the height up of it so that I could fit in some bigger drone motors. So what's going to happen is we're going to draw a lot more air. Now there's two small batteries in here. There's the speed controls, and then these are each motor has one of these batteries for now. Don't ask me how long they're going to last. I have no idea. There's a cab that goes on here, the nice little cab, windows in it, but ask me where it is. I have no idea right now. I have so much stuff. These are the plugs for the battery, or for the units to plug into the batteries, of course, and of course I've gone and buried them. So now I've got to find them. Here's one there. Now where's the other one? There's one there. There's the hookup for it. And we'll do the search. There's one battery. Where's our other battery? Our other battery is right here. So they're like that. And then this unit here, these are the two battery hookups for each battery. Now each speed control is plugged into the unit so that it can use separate batteries. Same time, same voltage, motors spin the same. When I told you I doubled the fan size, this is what I did. Normally it didn't have this extra piece here, extra fans on it. So that's the part that goes in there. That gives me enough room. Motor goes in there, bolt on there. So that's what I've done. Okay, so I'm going to plug or put this battery back in. Red wire up so I can find it. There's this one here. Same thing, red wire up so I can find it. Now the thing with this is the reason I have blue tape on here is because for now that's what's going to seal in the air, so no air escapes. Same with inside. There's a very little. It draws from the outer bottom. It draws from the top and pushes out the bottom. On the side there's a whole line of again, we'll flip this up, a line of space around the bottom that the air comes out, and because it has to release if you don't open up the actual fins. So now we're going to fire this up. So we're going to turn the radio on, which we do always first. I don't know how much battery power this has in it. Okay, so there's one fired up. Now there's that. Now where's the other battery hookup? There's that one, and we got to hook up to this one. It can only go one way. Okay, so the tone says we're ready to go. And let's see. There we go. Now, I don't have the servo set up for the directional yet. I'm working on a new system. The one that they have with it, I didn't like how it hooked up. In other words, I wasn't impressed with it. So I want to make a more accurate, better system. So here we go again. So as you see, it does hover. And I could probably increase the voltage. These are, what are we running here? 1200. How many volts are we running? Let's get my glasses. Need my glasses. What do we got here? We're only running 7.4 volts. These motors will take up to 14 volts. So, sounds so smooth. Now, if I probably turn it this way, let's leave the grain of the wood so that it actually goes with the grain. Let's come this way. Without jamming my fingers in there, let's see if we can turn this upside down. Open up the flaps a little more. There we go. We're wide open. See? Oh, one battery gave out. So we got one battery this side. There we go. May have put on a little too much. So there you go. Is that cool or what? I love this too. It gets me all excited, just like the jet boat. If you haven't seen the jet boat, you got to check that one out. The Campbell K7 jet boat. That one was a video I put up not too long ago. I'm going to unplug this. Alright, I'm going to turn the radio off. So there you go. So with the cab on it, it'll be really neat. And like I said, I got some stuff to do on it. Put some flatter screws on the bottom so that the unit, but you see it does hover, and it's a neat little project. It's got drone motors, brushless drone motors, so they're very easy to play with and do stuff with, and they're very inexpensive to buy. Same with the batteries. Speed controls are like $9. It's a great little hobby to get into. And who knows, I'm even thinking about making a bigger one, but let's finish this one first, and that's the other thing, just getting things done. But the excitement of working on stuff is I love it, so there you go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.